If you had one piece of advice and one piece of advice only to give aspiring authors, what would that be?
I think based on my trajectory, my first thought is just to keep going, because if you stop, you can't make it. I think you have to keep going, but you also have to keep getting better. Some people give up, but a lot of people also went for a decade where they didn't find a way to improve. And so they didn't get that compounding growth that happens of really dedicating yourself to getting better over the course of years. It's hard when you're a writer, because you might need to pay an editor, you might need to share your work, you might need to hire a coach, you might need to do these things because you're sort of trapped in this feedback-free bubble. Ask yourself, what do I have to do to be even 10% better every year at this? If you get 10% better every year at something, you'll always make it.